Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David. So if you want more information about this project, let's go.
METAKOO 26 Quick Charge 4A fast charger enables the 375 Wh battery to be fully charged in 3 hours. It can travel about 2640 miles in all-electric mode and 3750 miles in electric assist mode. The fast charger is ideal for electric bicycles that are often used and frequently charged. BAFANG E-MTB DRIVE SYSTEMS. The BAFANG rear drive motor provides reliable support with a rated power of 350 W and a maximum torque of 50 Nm. Strong and efficient, top speed up to 20 miles per hour, throttle and pedal assist mode. If you want to simply cruise along or not pedal, just engage the throttle. If you enjoy pedaling and want a more intuitive e-bike, then go for the pedal assist mode. The more pedaling, the longer the range and the greater the speed. Front suspension and dual disc brake. The front suspension fork on this bike helps to provide a smoother and more comfortable riding experience. Durable aluminum alloy frame and mechanical disc brakes provide more durability and safety. Shimano 21-speed gears. Cybertrack 100 come equipped with 21-speed gears to help you tackle various terrains. Once you learn to master the gearing of a 21-speed bike, you'll be able to enjoy longer rides that leave you less tired. 1-year warranty. This mountain electric bike has a maximum total weight limit of 309 pounds, 140 kilograms. It arrives 85% assembled. Watch video on METAKOO YouTube channel will help you assemble the e-bike well.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this project, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.